Managing inventory is one of the toughest parts of running a restaurant. Aside from keeping a close eye on total food costs, you also have to compare each ingredient's usage against its costs to ensure that your spending is justified. Thankfully, Sapaad tracks the real-time movement of your inventory items and gives you a detailed insight into its usage. In this video, we'll learn how to identify which recipe uses a particular ingredient in your inventory. Let's begin. First, log into your Sapaad account. Go to Setup, then select Inventory Setup. Click on Ingredients and Sub-Recipes. Then type the ingredient you want to find in the search field. For example, lettuce. Once you find the ingredient, click on Usage. There, you'll see all the recipes and sub-recipes that use lettuce. You can also view how much lettuce has been used in the recipes, as well as its unit of measure, the cost per unit, and cost in a particular recipe. When you're done, simply click Close. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully identified which recipes use a particular ingredient. You may also check out our video on how to identify which ingredients are supplied by a particular supplier. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.